Well, good day all and welcome to the South African lawn. Yeah, lekker! Welcome to today's video. Lawn stripes. I hope you all are well and everyone is lekker safe without the COVIDs. And if you've got the COVIDs, I hope you survive the COVIDs. But lawn stripes, before I get to that, the other day I sat there and I thought, yes, Merrick, where are you heading with this channel? But where are you going? What's happening here? And for a moment there I felt, I'm running out of ideas here. I'm running out of ideas for content. And then I've just come to realize that there's so much to lawning. For a second there I thought I've covered everything. I've said everything there is to know about lawn, and I sure didn't, because if I missed such a big aspect of lawn stripes, no clue why I haven't done this video sooner or earlier. But today I'm going to tackle that, and I'm going to give you my personal opinion about lawn stripes and how to lawn stripes and why to lawn stripes and why does some mowers lawn stripe better than other. All those type of things you can expect from this channel. I hope you're excited, because I'm very excited. It is probably, and I'm saying this with all due respect, the most exciting thing about taking good care of your lawn is lawn stripes. It's the aspect that you can really change the look of your lawn while keeping it healthy. I mean, it does go through winter, summer, yellow, brown and green and good and bad and uneven, but stripes are the one thing that you can really, without stressing your lawn out, change the look of your lawn, the aesthetics, or whatever you want to call it. You English guys give some ideas. Oh, and I really want to thank that other guy. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to go to where the sun comes from. I don't know if you can see it. The other day I said I'm not sure what you call this round stripes that follows the shape of my lawn, and there's one guy said it looks like rainbow stripes, and well done to you, mister. Oh, well, you can't see it clearly because it hasn't been mowed for 3 or 4 days, but I like that name, rainbow stripes. This one is okay. Yeah, okay, so the one thing that I do like about my own yard is that it is not level. It isn't level, so it kind of creates that fourth dimension, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And the one thing I do not like about my yard is it's not level. So in other words, on the flip side, I always have to push my mower up this wooden plank onto the lawn. I don't know, I've been living here for 2 years. Since the day I started this lawn, I've had to do this. It's a shame. It's a royal shame. Okay, so what is a lawn stripe? A lawn stripe is basically, for those of you who really don't know, for the beginners here, the beginners. Guys, the lighter strip is where the mower went in the direction away from you, and the stripe that comes towards you is the darker one. So light going away from you, dark coming towards you. And if you were to stand on the opposite side of the yard, they would actually be opposite colors, because the mower would come towards you then and go away from you. I'm going to explain that right now. Okay, so what is it that actually makes the stripes? Okay, so it's actually the direction into which the lawnmower lies the leaf blade of the grass. So when it goes away from you, it actually pushes over the grass blades that's standing upright like this away from you. Okay, so if you had to look at it from the side, it would push it over like that when you're mowing into that direction right there. And mowing towards you, it will fold the blade over to this angle. So what happens is, when you mow towards that side, it folds over the leaf blade to that side. And that's very important to remember when you want to mow. And if you don't know that, it folds the leaf blade away so it reflects sunlight. So it's got to do with light reflection. So as you can see, this round stripe here, it reflects light away and that stripe that comes there, sorry, excuse my hand, is coming towards us. So you're actually looking into the shade of the grass blade because it is lying in this direction. Just look at the bottom of my fingers right there. It's shaded out, and if it's like that, it's lighter. So basically that's exactly what happens with your grass blade. So you look at a light reflection like that, and here you're looking into the shadow of the grass blade, and that's what makes the actual difference in color. And when you stand on the opposite side of the lawn, the stripes would actually be in reverse. So the stripe that you saw light then would be dark, and the stripe that you saw dark would be light if you look at the opposite side of the lawn. So just understand that, because if you don't understand that your lighter stripes is going away from you, that's basically the key to it. That's all you have to know. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now Merrick, why doesn't my lawn stripe? Why don't I get stripes? Okay, so purely because I think, can't say this with certainty, but most people mow with rotary mowers, and rotary mowers do not stripe as well as real mowers. So that's a real mower. It costs quite a bit more than a rotary mower, and that is probably because of lawn stripes and the quality of cut, obviously. That's the main reason. Are you eating for me? The main reason why I would invest in a mower like that, the lawn stripes. And Merrick, another thing, you've got bluegrass, my Kikuyu won't stripe. That's nonsense. The Kikuyu stripes just as lacquer. Maybe not as prominent or as whatever, but it still stripes lacquer. Okay guys, so I can't get the dogs to give me a chance here, the neighbor's dogs. But I just want to show you my Kikuyu lawn outside. It's like dead set dormant, doesn't grow hardly at all. But I just want to show you, if you look nice and close, about 4 days ago I mowed this sucker, and still showing some stripes. I don't know if you can see it, it's just standard singles. But here's Kikuyu stripes. It even does it better in the summer when your grass is growing lacquer fast and lacquer quick. Okay, no excuses. Okay, so the mower basically does all the hard work for you. And in a second, I'm going to show you what this front roller, and the same happens with the rear roller really, because there is a lot of weight on that rear roller. I hope you can see it clear. I'm going to pull the mower with my one hand here and just see if we can see on the camera. Just have a look there how it's folding. I'm going very slow now. The leaf blades over. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that very scientific explanation, because that's about as scientific as the South African lawn gets. I'm going to start my mower. I'm going to mow my favorite stripes. On this lawn, it's actually that rainbow cut. But my favorite is the doubles, because it just gives the people who look at the lawn that illusion that the mower that is used on this lawn is white. I'm going to go 2 strips there, 2 strips back, so it'll give me a nice fat light and dark line. Let's go for it. ladies and gentlemen, that is my double stripes, double white stripes. It is probably one of my favorites because it gives you that illusion that the mower is wide, or it's a big mower. So like unconsciously you think, or when people look at this, they think that this mower is wide because of the wide stripes, but it is not true. It's only a 17-inch professional real mower that I so much love there. So yeah, but that's it on striping really. And this is the only part, or not the only part, but probably the most exciting part where you can get like super creative. I know Alet has got this creative lawn stripes thing, and that's actually awesome because it is the most fun aspect of lawning for me personally. So guys, flippin', go out there, get creative, mow zigzags, mow circles, mow flippin' whatever. Don't scalp your lawn. Scalping is not a stripe. So get creative and send them to me. Actually, send them to me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram as well. Not on any platform I'm very active, but there I'm the quickest to respond. So send them there and I will gladly share them on my Instagrams. Especially you South Africans, send your lawn. Let's get the community growing. The South African community is growing lekker at the moment. Just look there, guys. In the middle of the winter, and we've got a beautiful, in my opinion, beautiful lawn, or nice looking lawn, and some lacquer looking stripes. Not that creative, but we'll get more creative in the future. Maybe mow a zigzag. But I'll tell you what, that guy who just said this rainbow stripes, it just complements this like shape of my, I don't know what to say. Is it contours? Is it the stop? I don't know. Just looks flippin' lacquer because it goes with the shape of the lawn. I love that. Rainbows. Rainbows is probably my favorite. Rainbows it is. Thank you for that guy for giving me the name Rainbird. I love Rainbird. Rainbow. Did I just say Rainbird? I like irrigation, but I must say this is rainbow stripe. Sorry, that was, yeah. So that's it, guys. Sorry, I lost the plot there for a while. That's it. I love the stripes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Send me your creative stripes, and I will share them. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all the subscribers, all the new subscribers. There's going to be loads of content. Summer is around the corner, so that is exciting stuff. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Like this video if you enjoyed it. It will really help this channel to grow. Not that it is not growing, but it is just lekker to see the channel grow. I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.